high ticket closer. Try that.
High. Oh my God, what I'm doing. High ticket closer.
I know it sounds weird or feels weird, but you can do the motions that I'm doing because it helps you internalize what's happening. We're lengthening, we're emphasizing, and I need you to understand, and that comes from feeling what vowels we're emphasizing, what vowels we're lengthening, and perhaps making louder as well. So high ticket closer. I'm a high ticket closer.
I'm a high ticket closer.
Yes.
Let's talk about how we stress words in English. It's very important to learn the rhythm of English, and we're going to start with word stress. I invite you to practice with my student Nitish. Ready? If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Jennifer and I teach American English for confident, effective communication. If you'd like my free digital downloads to boost your fluency, then visit my website, englishwithjennifer.com.
So the next thing we're going to
Okay.
do is talk about when we stress certain words, we focus on a syllable and we focus on a vowel sound. When I say teacher, it's the E that I'm lengthening. And it's the E
Mm-hmm.
that I'm not only lengthening, my pitch goes up, my voice goes up a bit, teacher. And I might even be a little louder. So when I say stress a syllable, stress a vowel sound, the key is to really lengthen a vowel sound. And that's why I couldn't
Okay.
catch when you're like high ticket closer. I'm like, what? But high ticket closer. Bum,
Closer.
bum, bum. You're now lengthening those stressed vowels, and it's easier for my ears to pick up on each of those words, right?
Uh-huh.
So
I
I'm
get
a
that.
teacher, teacher, teacher. Lengthen the vowel. Your voice can go up a little, and it can also become a little louder.
My question to you is that, let's say I teacher, right? There are two vowel sounds here. T, er,
Hmm.
right? E, er. There are two sounds. So when I'm like making sure the voice is coming across correctly, should I focus on both sounds like E, er? Should I emphasis is on both, or should I just do it on the first one and like take the second one lightly?
We said in the last time that we met, when you have words with two or more syllables, only one is going to have that main stress, that primary stress. It's the vowel
Mm-hmm.
sound. So in teacher, E, are two vowel sounds. They're both important, but we emphasize the teacher. Now it's easier with like an E sound, but even with ticket, ticket. Again, a little longer, could be louder and at a higher pitch. Hmm. Ticket.
Ticket.
Yes. High and high is very easy to lengthen because of that long I sound. High ticket closer. We can also lengthen the O. High ticket closer. Try that.
High. Oh my God, what I'm doing. High ticket closer.
I know it sounds weird or feels weird, but you can do the motions that I'm doing because it helps you internalize what's happening. We're lengthening, we're emphasizing, and I need you to understand, and that comes from feeling what vowels we're emphasizing, what vowels we're lengthening, and perhaps making louder as well. So high ticket closer. I'm a high ticket closer.
I'm a high ticket closer.
Yes.
Was
Yes.
that better?
Yes, and now you can go more towards a natural speed, but maintain that lengthening of the vowel. I'm a high ticket closer.
Okay. I'm a high ticket closer.
Beautiful. Speed it up a little, but keep that rhythm. I'm a high ticket closer.
I'm a high ticket closer.
Even faster. I'm a high ticket closer.
I'm a high ticket closer.
Better. And you can see with those are not really important words. They're not keywords. They're not holding content. So we can go faster on I'm a high ticket closer. Get it? So you can go fast, but content words, keywords, the words that carry our meaning, we have to speak very clearly or clearly enough for our listener
Hmm.
to understand. Okay?
Okay.
I want to give you more practice stressing keywords, content words. Say with me, teacher, She's a teacher. Student. He's her student. India. He's from India. Smart. He's smart. Useful. This is useful. That's all for now, but before I go, I'll ask you to hit the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the lessons I have planned for you. If you'd like live interaction and feedback, then join my English with Jennifer community on Patreon, where we practice all skills for confident, effective communication. The link is in the video description. I hope to see you again soon. As always, thanks for watching and happy studies.